Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox low memory warning. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox low memory warning, you should just go to settings. After that you click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this page, you will search about Roblox. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end sorry, you can go to Play Store. You will search about Xbox here, Roblox here, and when you'll find it, you can click to update your application if you will find updates. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.